Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Rob here, in my classroom, welcoming you to a brand new school year, 2020 and 21. So for AVID, 6th grade elective, I'm going to be your AVID teacher. Obviously Mr. Moreland is still your teacher for all your other subjects, but you have me for your AVID elective. Today's video, I'm going to help you connect to Canvas, because that's going to be the one place to rule them all. That'll be the one place that you go, and from there I'll give you links and things to do everything else we do for the rest of the school year. So let's figure out how to get into Canvas. Here I am at one of our school Chromebooks. We go ahead and open the Chromebook and it should automatically turn on. Of course, this is hard to do one-handed. On this Chromebook there's only one user right now so far. That's me. There aren't any users listed over here on the right hand side. So I go down to the bottom and I click Add Person. And then I will type in Genesee's email address. Notice it already says @semitropicschool.org, so thank goodness we don't have to worry about typing that in. If it didn't have that, we would have to type it in, because you have to be careful. Don't use Gmail. It has to be @semitropicschool.org. I will type in her username and her password off screen so nobody can see that, and then I'll continue to show you how we do this. If you have already used your Chromebook before, it might look like this, where there are a couple profiles, or you might have a whole list of pictures and names over here on the right hand side, and you would have to use 2 fingers on your trackpad, go over there with the mouse, and you'd have to use 2 fingers to scroll up and down and find your name. And again, if you don't find your name, then you just come over here and add person. Once you type in your username and your password, it should take you to what we call our home page. It's also called the 3x3 links page, 3x3links.com/semitropic. And probably the thing you're going to use the most every day is Canvas. Click. Then the home page of your Canvas will look like this. It's called your dashboard. And all of your subjects will be listed here. Now right now you can see AVID 6, Mr. Rob, 2021. That's this school year. So that means I, Mr. Rob, have published our class up here on Canvas for all of you to see. You don't see any of Mr. Moreland's yet because he hasn't clicked the publish button, but he will be doing that soon enough. So you'll see ELD, ELA, math, science, history will each have their own little square. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this and see what happens. Okay, when you click on it, it takes you to the home. And right now I have what's called a module. It says beginning of the year, course start. You can click on it to change whether the little menu drops down or not. And right now I don't have anything because I haven't published it or I haven't made it appear to you yet. But I just want to make sure that you can all see this screen and you can all get to the home of our class. Okay, our very first assignment is going to be in this beginning of the year course start. Click on that series of words and the little arrow will point down. When it's pointing down, you know the menu has dropped down. Hello, greetings and salutations. Click on that link and this will be your first assignment. Notice that it actually takes you over here to discussions. So technically this is a discussion. I typed something in here and it was basically just me saying hello to you and giving you an example of what you could say, letting you know that it's going to be graded for participation. So you're basically just getting 1 point. See how it says 1 point? You either do it or you don't. And that I have disabled replies and likes because we don't need to try to do that right now. You come down here where it says reply and click on reply. And then it gives you a new text box and you can type whatever you need to in there. Alright, so I typed in there, hi, this is Mr. Rob pretending to be Genesee so that everyone knows what to do. Now Genesee, you'll still have to come do this by yourself, but I'm showing everyone how we do it. Come down here to post reply, click on it, and then you're done. So for everybody else, that's what it will look like. For Genesee, she'll still come and reply and actually do it herself, so I know that she's connected. And then on my side of the system, I'll be able to grade it and let you know that it's done. Now once I'm done grading it, it does not actually show up in here, but instead it shows up over in what's called grades. So when you click on grades, you'll be able to see there was that discussion that was called hello, greetings, and salutations, and the score would be 1 out of 1, which would basically be 100%, and then you know you're done. If you go to check your score before you have submitted anything, it will simply look like this, a little dash, which means it has not been graded because nothing has been turned in yet. Once you're done in Canvas, you can always go back to the home, and remember that's the home for my class. If you want to go back to your dashboard, that's where you will see my class and all of Mr. Moreland's subjects. If you finish all your work in Canvas and are completely done, then obviously you can click the little X and close it out, and that'll be that. And of course there's all kinds of other resources and links here on the home page, the 3x3 links. Alright, now since we've done something brand new, we're going to go ahead and do one of our Avid claps. So the first one we're going to do is the DJ clap, brought to us by Jaden Torres, who graduated last year. Okay, when it says table, table, you're going to take your hands and hit them on the table. Table, table. Clap, clap means you clap your hands together. Clap, clap. The little quotes with means you pretend to be a DJ and you spin the disc. And then you point at somebody and tell them, awesome. Okay, so let's do the DJ clap on 3. 1, 2, 3. Table, table. Clap, clap. Awesome. All right, thank you very much. Good luck. And roar Wildcats.